Okay, welcome. This is James Possible, and this is part one in a brand new mini-series called Trapped Again. The series, I'm not sure how many episodes there's going to be in it. I'm thinking there will be at least 3. It actually is a portion of a live call, group call that I do with traders twice a month. And so I'm taking a portion of one of those calls that discusses the topic of being trapped or feeling trapped as a trader. And we break it down a little bit and go through what I've learned as a trader and how I might handle certain situations where I feel trapped as a trader, and hopefully there's some wisdom for you. There's something that you can. There's a takeaway for you as a trader that will benefit you in the end. In no way is any of this professional advice. This is purely educational. Me sharing what I've learned, what I do, and like I said, I'm not a certified trader. I am a funded trader. So let's jump in. After this first green candle, you're still going to be holding on to it at this point, but now the loss is going to be even bigger.
Mm-hmm. And you said that they would raise, typically they would raise the spread at what point?
No, I'm saying, what if they did? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
But that is a tool that the market makers have at their disposal, and they do use it that way because the typical retail trader is only looking at the chart. They're not thinking that the ask is actually a pip higher or 2 pips higher or 3 pips higher. They're thinking, well, the bid price came down and hit my take profit, so I should be out. Well, no, if we're talking about a short, the only way that take profit's going to be hit is if the ask price hits it. The bid price can hit it all day long, and it won't change anything.
Okay. So is there a way to see the ask price?
Well, yeah.
How's that?
You turn it on in MetaTrader 4.
Oh, I didn't realize that was an option.
Yeah,
excuse me. That's actually one of the first things he taught us.
Okay. You're talking about the ask price horizontal line.
Yes.
Okay, never mind. Excuse me.
Oh, thank you. I was going to be so disappointed, Roger. That like if I could just describe how deflated I was feeling when you said that. I was like, is he not listening to anything I'm saying?
Well, what you said previous to just now was that they showed the bid price, and there wasn't a way to see the ask price. And
well, there isn't historically. There isn't for. Now you know I capture data, right? So
right.
I'd have to go back and look at my data. But historically, in MetaTrader 4, there's no way for me to go backwards and figure out where the ask was.
So,
and hang on, before you ask that question. That's really a critical point, is that historically when you go back to evaluate charts, you don't have access to the ask.
Unless you record it that way.
Yeah, and so you're thinking about these pins, and you're thinking, oh, I could have caught that trade and this trade, and I could have made so much money, but you have no idea where the ask is.
Yeah.
And so that's part of the illusion of hindsight, and that's why many people.
That's what threw me is because I heard you say that you couldn't see the ask price, and I'm going, well, wait a minute, what's he talking about? Anyway, I understand.
And James,
yes.
just so we're clear, they're both at the top of the chart. The gray line is the bid, and the red line is the ask, right? Or did I reverse it in my head again?
Oh, on this particular chart, yes.
Yeah, so that's what I was saying. The ask line never touched it. I mean, based on this.
Yeah, right? Hang on a second.
Yeah, we're here.
Okay. All right. So yeah, so if we just go with what, thank you for being so observant there, Miss Elsa. Now I just draw a little rectangle here to match the spread. You can see the odds of the ask hitting that line are like nil.
Mm-hmm. You mean based on the existing spread?
Yeah, just based on that alone. Like if we just took the existing spread, they wouldn't have had to even manipulate it, right?
Yeah. Oh, I see. Gotcha. And so there would be no manipulation unless it was needed.
Yeah, I'm not. Now they could have manipulated it, but I'm just saying in this scenario, they wouldn't have even had to make that much effort.
Uh-huh.
Like they just push the bid down, make it look like it's hitting the line, and away they go.
Unless they wanted to pop the balloon just ahead of time.
Love it, love it. Let me slide that.
And you know what the really sucky thing about this whole thing is? As it's coming back down, traders would have jumped in on it, thinking, finally it's going to go the way I think it was.
Yes.
So they add into the position, and then it comes back to bite them.
Exactly, right? Right. Yes. So well said. And then let's play this out just a little bit further, because we just really want to cover the pain here. All right, I hope you got something out of this episode. My goal is that you gain some insight, some wisdom, a tip, or something that helps you as a trader improve what you're doing when you're trading, and helps you find a way to get better results. I know these things have helped me over the years, and that's what I'm doing, is sharing some of what I've learned in the hopes of helping you as well. If you want to find out more about me, you maybe want to say hi or talk with me on social media. The best way to do that is to go to my social media page, which is www.fxtoys.at. Now it's do not use .com. It's fxtoys.at/myyoda. All right, so thank you for joining me on this call. I'm on this episode. It's so funny. And hopefully I see you on the next video. Take care.